Hey everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some creative arts and crafts using different craft items. So first we are making a Christmas tree. For that we have to cut a paper and then roll it to make a cone. Now using the ribbons we will straighten it and then curl it using the straightener like this and fix it on the cone and it's ready. Next, we'll be creating another beautiful craft. For that, we have to take the paper like this and then cut it. Now using the heating element, fix it by folding it like this. Make few more as such and join them all together. Make the flowers and then stick them. And your beautiful hanging or a keychain is ready. Next, we will make a beautiful hair clips. For that, we will take the ribbon and then using the heating element, we will fix it like this from folding it. Now take a needle and the thread and fix it by tying it like this and then spread it using the fingers. Now on the back using the glue gun, paste a pearl and then fix the rubber band or the clip and it's ready. Next, take a ribbon and fold it like this. After folding it, fix it using the heating element like this. After fixing it, make few more as such and join them all together. Fix it on the stick like this and your flowers are ready. Next, take a fruit foam net and cut it like this and then roll it. Now tie it using a thread. After that, cut it from the top and turn it into a cute ball. Make one more as such and fix them together and your snowman is ready. Next, we will take a mask and cut it from the sides. Now open it and remove the tissue from it. Now take it like this and stick it using the double-sided tape. Now curl it as we are curling in this video. Now stick it using the stick like this. Now take the blue sheet of the mask and roll it as we have done in this video. Tie it from the between and then paste it and your bracelet is ready. Next, take a ribbon and then fold it and then paste it using the double-sided tape like this in the between. Make few more as such and paste them together to make a bow. Tie it from the between like this using a thread and then put a ribbon over it like this. And then paste a clip on it as shown in the video and it's ready. Next, we will take a plastic bottle and cut it from the between in the shape shown. Now cut it from the bottom as well and fix them together like this. Fill some water in it and put the plants and your vase is ready. Next, take a plastic bottle and cut it from the between. Now cut it into small frills as shown in the video. Now take the pearls like this and fix it on the each strip and it's ready. Next, take a ribbon and fold it like this and fix this using the heat. Now take a stick and roll them one by one as shown in the video and your rose will be ready. You can cover the stick using different craft items of your choice and it's done. I hope you liked it. Now we will take the ribbon as shown in the video and fold it around. Now cut it out and fold it and fix it using the heat like this. After that, fix them together by tying it. Fix the sticks in the between. Now take the green ribbon to make the leaf. Cut it like this and then heat it and fix it. And the flowers are ready. You can decorate these in your house. Next, take a foam like this and then roll it using the double-sided tape. Fix it properly. Now take another foam and tie it like this and fix them together. Make few more as such and paste them and your cone is ready. Thanks for watching our video.